Hello guys, today we shall be looking about the nature theory. What does it mean? This means that market is always moving into phases which are impulse, correction, impulse and correction. So let us start with impulse. This means market move in one direction than as usual with high momentum, and this can be noted by bigger candlestick. Let us draw here. For example, so like this guy. So as you can see, these are impulse. These are impulse. As you can see, I think that it is easy to identify them. And let us see about correction. So correction are like this, guys. Okay, this is for maybe let us finish here. So this is the uptrend, and this is the downtrend. For uptrend and downtrend. So this is it will be downtrend, and this is uptrend. Make it simple, guys. Things are easy. So much easy. Just make it simple and clear. So as you all can see here, we have identified the downtrend impulses, which are this one. Let us see about correction. This are called correction. So this for uptrend. Remember these days, sometimes market can't give you the actual structure, but all what you can see is to identify what phase are we in. So as you can see here, this is for downtrend and this is for uptrend. So these are correction. As you all can see here, correction. These are correction. So guys, as you can see, when we're talking about the nature theory of the market, this is whereby always market moves into phases which are impulse and correction. And what is the impulse? Impulse is whereby market move in one direction with bigger momentum than as usual. And this can be noted by the big candlestick like this one. As you can see here, guys, this one. This are impulse. And the second phase is correction. This is whereby market moves in counter trending. Sometimes they call it market it is consolidating. And this can be noted with a small candlestick with no progression, as you can see this one. So this is the correction. You can see market is consolidating. So this is correction. There's no progress, as you can see here. There's no any progress. So this are correction. So guys, keep it simple and clear. Let us see in little chart. As you can see, let us pursue the nature theory. It has two phases, which is impulse and the correction. So let us apply it in little chart, guys. So whenever you want to identify these phases, I advise you to zoom in as much as you can so that you can see the big picture. So from here, guys, I can see the faces. Let us see, show you. You can see there is a correction, correction phase, then impulse, correction, then impulse, then correction. As you can see here. So from here, guys, you can see things are easy. You can identify them by your own eyes. So this is correction, then impulse, correction, then impulse, correction. Guys, there is something here you can plot. This is the correction, but it comes into different structure. Remember this, guys, market can't give you the clear structure. But what you can do is to identify which phase are we in. As you can see, guys, so this is the impulse, but there is a correction inside the impulse. But all this is a big impulse. As you can see here, this is a correction, big correction, but inside there is a impulses and the corrections, as you can see, guys. So what I want to tell you is that market can't always give you the clear structure, but what you can do is to identify what phase are we in. So I think this is enough for today, guys. I wish you good afternoon and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. All the best, guys. Can't wait to see you to the next class. Thank you.